Hey y'all, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. I'm going to show you a quick way to do the heart petal using the lolly petal. All right, so get you a squared piece of mesh. Mine is actually 10.5 by 10.5. We're going to go curl side up, diamond shape. You're going to bring that top to the bottom, turn it sideways. You have a nice big triangle. We're going to line your tip up. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 inches up. And we're just going to bring those edges in. Just like that. Now we're going to take this edge, we're going to put it up to the ceiling and just walk it in. So you have one side of a lolly petal. You're going to take this edge, do the same thing. This edge up to the ceiling. Walk it in. Just clip it. Now we're gonna go ahead and round out your lolly petal. We're gonna go to the middle and we're just gonna push that middle in just like that. Now I'm gonna clip it because I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing with this piece of mesh because it's going to be hard for you to tell. So just imagine I've already brought these to the side. We've got our little pinch that we just made right there. So all you need to do is take your zip tie, run it up to that middle, run it around, run it back to the back, and you can let go of it and zip tie that piece and then just clip it off. And so that is the exact same thing I'm going to do to this petal. So we're taking our zip tie, running it through the back. I'm going to go ahead and move that clip. Take it, run it through the back of that fold that I just showed you on that other piece of mesh. Okay, so we're going through that fold, and then we're just going to take that zip tie to the back. Just like that. Zip it up. Clip off that zip tie. And there you have your perfect heart. Easy.